Installing a roll-up door doesn't have to take all day. With Dynatect's pre-frame design, you can upgrade a container in a fraction of the time. Once your opening is ready, the door goes in fast. Be sure to follow the product guide for complete instructions. Dynatect recommends specifying frame mounting holes at the time of approval drawing so they arrive pre-drilled. The door should remain closed until secured to container. When lifting, support the door as evenly as possible. The top of the assembly is always heavier. The top of the pre-framed door is slotted up into the opening while the bottom remains slanted out. Use the upper frame edge as both a guide and a brace when swinging the bottom of the door into place. Use factory pre-drilled holes as a pilot and drill holes through container. Ensure door is level, attach the frame using recommended fasteners. Once this step begins, installation takes only minutes. After securing the first set of fasteners on each side of the door can be opened for easier access and visibility. As the spring tension has been factory preset and tested, the door should operate smoothly along the entire opening with no binding or catching. Latch the door to ensure it secures properly. Visit Dynatect.com to download a digital copy of the most recent product guide at any time. Thank you for watching.